slippers. You want slippers? Ito muna. Do you want this? I want it.
109. It's the same size of my patient's.
Alcohol. Happy anniversary.
Ano yan? Mga
May joke dati sa amin sa school. Diba, 12 months ay 9 months. Nasa likod lang siya. No, you should have asked to get the ice na lang. Kaya mo lang ito. Nagulat ako.
Ayan o.
Ang ganda-ganda.
Okay, tamp. Kung flat na, yan, tamp na. Pero muna yung tamp na. Hindi, huwag masyadong matigas. Dapat to the point na maramdaman mo lang. Ganito lang. Okay, ganito. Tap lang, huwag masyadong matigas. Like to the point ma-press mo
Man,
daw.
I can't do that. I'm weak.
Hindi, ganito lang. Like, huwag masyadong malakas. Kasi kung masyado compress, hindi siya magpo-pull na maayos. Eh.
Let's see.
Hindi yung pull, kunyari ganyan. No? Isang straight
Yeah,
lang.
sa gitna lang siya.
Yan, go. Yung balon. Tawahan niyo yung balon. Yan. Ayun.
yun na, Pablo.
Wait lang, kunin ko lang to.
Kunin ko lang. Sira na ba?
Special nickname, Sophia.
So good. Hey, Neko. You're slowly creeping up. That's not yours. Kay Min talaga yan. Min. Taba. So sarap. My favorite. Chop suey made with love by my girlfriend. Like this. That's 449. Ito ba yung hanap mo pang hotpot natin?
Oo. Hotpot natin ang next one.
Tuna! Tuna!
Ito ba? Ano po? 41.
Ganun mo to?
Or ito. Different ito. Na with. Parang. Premium this one.
What do you think? Sarap. What did you cook? Hotpot. Oh my god. Hotpot. Hotpot. And the kitties are here. No.
This is my favorite baby.
Uh-huh. And this is next. Oh, this is, oh no, this is Flip or Orange. Female Orange. This is Min Min, our main Orange. And this is Lia, my daughter. Min Min. This is Oreo and that is Wink.
Nakakalimutan mo, gusto mong kalimutan ko na sarili kong pamilya ang nanloko sa akin at
Oh my god. Just below the tip. Okay, I'm doing this so wrong.
Slippery.
Kalahati na. Kapit na po.
Tapos yung ano pa yun?
ng kilo.
Apo.
Yung pork yan.
Kasi.
Oh my god, that's so big.
Kasi ito lang. Isang kilo.
Where are we going? Wala akong makita. Where are we? Currently at Shuhan. Okay, Shuhan Hot Pot Grill.